Hello and welcome to Skulls and Pains. My name is Hendrik and today we're taking a look at Corvus Belli's second manga, Betrayal. Corvus Belli was so friendly to send me this limited edition, and it is special because there is a miniature included with the manga. As a miniature painting, games and tabletop geek, that's of course really cool. So let's wrap this open and take a look at the manga and the miniature. Alright, let's wrap this open. This plastic wrapped box. I didn't know that it comes in a box with the miniature, so that had me quite surprised. And I do think it looks pretty nice, well designed, with a nice interesting cover. This is pretty cool. They made it larger as the last one. So I also read Outrage, and that, as you see, is a bit smaller. That's pretty nice. So it's a much bigger, and it looks like they're definitely having a different style than in Outrage. This is a lot cleaner, a lot less manga-ish. Even if, well, this looks pretty much like a manga, but a lot more boxy comic style. That's a nice change, I think, for people that are not yet that familiar with mangas. So this is more of a graphic novel style, I feel. Victor Santos is again along. He has also been writing the first book, so that is pretty cool. So there's some continuity in there. But Agustin Graham Nakamura, he is a new artist that they chose for this book. It definitely looks like there's some familiar things over here, similar in style, even if it's not the same. So that is Betrayal. I really dig the cover. I think it's looking really cool. But what else do we have in here? There is the miniature. Alright, so here we have the mini that comes with the graphic novel. Ooh. So if you're not yet familiar with Corvus Belli, they make metal minis. I myself started in a time with the hobby when metal was still the way to go, pretty much. So a lot of companies made metal minis back then, and the detail on metal minis has always been something that I really appreciated. This looks like a really cool mini, I need to say. I think it's her over here that we see, and yeah, I'm looking forward to assemble and paint this. Maybe less on the assembly, because Corvus Belli minis are pretty fiddly, I would say, or very thin, so it can be difficult to make them hold together well, but it's always possible to do so. So even with the tiniest models, all you need is a drill and some patience, and then you can fit these models together. But yeah, I'm going to dig into this book tonight, and I think it's going to be a good read. It looks really interesting. Well, and that's it. Corvus Belli's second manga looks pretty cool, and I at least hope they make more of them in the future. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a comment and a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. And if you think I'm a sympathetic guy that does a good job with these videos, hit the subscribe button to follow along. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.